Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. I was just sitting here playing around with what I got in my Ipsy bag, just swatching it and stuff, and then I realized I'm like, what the heck? I haven't unboxed this yet on my channel. So here's the bag. It's so cute. It is this black canvas with gold details. The lashes are white, and then this is like a gold metallic on the bottom here, and then we've got a gold metallic pulley and zipper. So super cute. And then the products that I got are, I got this Luna translucent powder here. This is, I was just swatching it. It's definitely different. It is actually a little bit of a satiny sheen to it. It's right here. It's got quite a bit of a white cast to it, so I will be definitely, I can't get it open now. What the heck? It's in, the color is called White Sand. And it's super soft and buttery. It's just that it's quite, you see that, you guys? And it's got a sheen to it. So, not sure how that's going to perform on the skin being that way. You would think that it would have a white cast to it. But I'll definitely give it a whirl. I'm happy to receive it as a sample versus buying a full size and hating it, you know, if I do, in fact, not end up liking it. And then the next product is from Winky Lux. This is a mermaid kitten called Ursula is the color. I love the Winky Lux packaging. It's super cute. And this mint green with a cute little kitty on there. Sorry guys, bear with me. The sun is really awkward right now. And then this is the color. It looks darker in the pan than what it comes off, but it is a pretty purple color. So, you see? Really pretty. I definitely know that I'm going to love this because I have a Winky Lux palette and I really love their shadows. They're really nice. So I am so happy to receive that. Next is a conditioner. I was thinking this might be like an after you get out of the shower kind of frizz type of deal, and that might be how I use it, but it says on here to put it on your hair and then wash it off after 1 to 3 minutes. I might use it as like a leave-in conditioner. Just put a tiny bit on my hand and mix it around, and then even I could use it on dry skin and just kind of to scrunch my curls to add a little bit of definition to them when I want just like a beachy wave type of deal. I do that a lot with conditioners, so because like this thing would be gone like 1 to 2 uses if I was using it in the shower. But anyways, I'll try it both ways probably. And that is pretty cool. It's a 1 ounce sample, and it says here to look for Mark Anthony products at Walmart. Alright, next is pretty cool. This is an Hourglass mascara. I won't like actually open the mascara, but I'll show you what the packaging looks like. This is adorable. It's a triangle. Here it is. Very cool. I've never used this mascara before, so I can't wait to try it. I've never ever tried it. Have you ever tried it? Let me know in the comments below what you think of Hourglass mascara. When I get these samples, I don't like to open them because they go bad and dry out within 6 months once you allow air to get in there. So I just like to leave them like that and put them aside. And then the last product is this little lippy from, it's a mini lip glaze from Trestique. I like this brand a lot. I've received their products in, I've received a couple of them in my Ipsy, I'm pretty sure, and then I've also gotten them in FabFitFun. So really nice. I like their lipsticks. So I have it on right now. It's this color. It is looking redder on camera. In person, it's a berry color. So it is just like this. It's a really pretty color. So loving this, and especially this time of the year. This is extremely comfortable on the lips. I mean, especially if you compare it to, this is a product I got from BoxyCharm. This is a lip, one of those liquid lips. I am not a fan, you guys. Not a fan of liquid lips anymore. They age me so bad. They make my lips look like I'm extremely wrinkled looking. So I am just not a fan of those liquid lips anymore. So anyways, this is a really, really nice product. I'm loving it. So that is it, guys. That's all I got. I got recapping my Lippy, Luna translucent powder, conditioner sample, an eyeshadow, and then a mini mascara. So I love my bag that I got this month. This is my September 2018 bag. What did you guys get in your Ipsy bag? What was your favorite product? Did you love your bag? Did you hate your bag? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to interact with you. And until next month, I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone.